this is if you have FU money, in my opinion. Hey, what's up everybody? So Royce from Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just going to be checking out and cracking open two mini GT Porsches. One is the new Ruf Rally, whatever it's called, Rodeo, and the other is, I forget what the other is, just the C4S and yellow. And we will get right into it immediately. I've had these in the queue for quite a while, just finally getting around to, I don't know, I've had them out here on my desk for months now, just finally getting around to opening them up. I don't really care about being too careful with them, to be honest with you, because I display everything I own for the most part. So there we go. This one's actually easy. Really nice card art. I like the card art, it's great. And it's kind of like a real nice, classy matte finish on the card. It says limited to 3,000 on there. Really nice. I like that artwork a lot. And again, just like the majorettes and some of the Porsches, some of the Matchboxes, it comes with a box, which is huge actually. I'm not sure why the box is so large, but you could keep it stored in there if you had to, maybe add some padding to it. But it's a really nice box there. So here is the new Rodeo. As a loud car just goes by. I'm not sure what I think of this. It's kind of, I don't know. I don't know what I think of this. It's just kind of like jumping on the bandwagon, I guess, of selling to ultra wealthy guys that'll probably never properly take something off-road anyway. But I guess this is if you have FU money, in my opinion. So I think this looks like a metal base on it. It's even got carbon fiber like tampos, it looks almost like, on the bottom section in the middle. I think it's, yeah, but this is a definitely, yeah, it's metal base, rubber tires, nicer wheels, as I almost take the tire off by accident there. Metal body. It's very nicely detailed. Now the doors don't open or anything like that, but I don't know whose dog that was just barking outside my door. That was weird. You might have heard that on video. I mean, this is really a lot of details on it. It's really cool. But like I said, it's just very odd to me. I'm not sure I understand. Like I said, I think it's definitely for just selling to ultra rich people, of course. All right, let's do the next one, which this is just a base standard Porsche Carrera 4S. Once again, some nice card art on a matte finished card. A lot of plastic. Another nice box, more plastic. Oh, this one is beautiful. This one is really nice right out of the pack, and for not much money. I didn't pay much for either one of them. Now this one I believe definitely has plastic base, but I think this one's metal, the base on satin black metal base on the roof there, but this one's definitely, let me put it up to my teeth. It might be metal too. I think it is a metal base on that. Satin makes it look like plastic, but it's definitely metal, and the body's metal. Rubber tires, beautiful rims on it. Look at that thing. It stance on that. Gorgeous. As my dog just sneezed in the background. Or no, she's whining, I guess, to go inside. Look at the badging tiny tampos for the logos are just great. I mean, these mini GTs, they're just absolutely insane for $12 a piece, I think is what I paid for these. Absolutely insane. The mirrors look good. I mean, you could go in with a chrome marker and finish the mirrors yourself there, but boy, they're really well done. We have separate lenses for the lights. Beautiful job on this. So here we have the Ruf Rodeo presentation prototype version. I guess this was used to sell the concept to future clients. It doesn't do a whole lot for me personally. I'm a huge Ruf fan, but I don't know. I get why they're doing it, to kind of jump on the bandwagon with Porsche's Safari and Huracan from Lamborghini and whatever else. Who else is probably going to jump on the bandwagon and try to have a rally type car from the factory? That looks like the seats has great detail in the interior. Interior detail looks great. It's got the correct lollipop style seats. Really cool. Alright, so next up we'll take a look at the Carrera 4S, which if you're not familiar with Porsches, that just means it's all-wheel drive. The 4S series. And this is a 911, of course. I believe this is speed yellow. I don't know if it should tell me somewhere here. Racing yellow, I'm sorry. It does say on the packaging, racing yellow. I don't think speed yellow is a little bit lighter, I think, yellow. Really nicely done, of course. Now, being a black interior, it's kind of harder to see what's going on inside opposed to the roof. I think it was a lot easier to see, but you have to trust me on these. Have really nice interior details. Alright, so there we go. Just a quick one, 2 mini GTs. It was fun to crack them open in front of you guys, or with you guys, or along with me, whatever you want to say. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free and you can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching these quick little videos. The next one up is I'm going to be opening up 6 different 917s and 1/64 scale. And I did forget to mention these 2 as well are 1/64 scale. So I think I did forget to mention that. And I think on the majorette video I forgot to mention their 1/64 scale, but I'll put that in the titles, etc, etc, etc. Have a good night. See you guys soon. All right. Bye now.